Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make money on Instagram in 2019. Instagram is one of the biggest social media platforms in the world, and as most people know, is owned by Facebook. Just to give you a few numbers, it has 400 million active daily users, and 55% of young people in the USA, that's people aged 18 to 29 years old, have already joined the service since 2010. More than 50% of popular brands promote their goods on Instagram, and this percentage is continuing to grow rapidly. So, hey, if you're not on it, you're really missing out. But here's a few ways that you can use this tool to really build an income for yourself online. So the first way is to become an Instagram blogger, like this girl here. So, I mean, most people think you have to be a famous actor or singer to become popular on Instagram, but many users have just gained a lot of Instagram likes and followers due to their interesting and high quality content. So you can dedicate your account to your hobby or your daily routine, traveling, fashion, food, whatever you're getting up to. Really, the key here is consistency. So as you can see here, this is Olivia Purvis from London. She just blogs about what she's doing in her daily life. As you can see, all the photos are quite high quality. She chucks in a video now and then, and you can see she's attracting quite a few likes. So, I mean, she has grown to 180,000 followers, but don't be put off by that. If you post daily, even if you can post uh, more than once, possibly 2 to 3 times a day, that'd be ideal. But this way, it's going to take time. But the key to this is consistency. So doing regular content at kind of similar times. Hashtags are very important. You want to make sure you use relevant ones for growing and growing your account similarly to other accounts like this. You want to have a strong focus on descriptions. You can make them funny or topical or whatever you think will attract people to the photo. Um, you can even run some contests or ask questions. Um, yeah, it's a really great way to just build a following via people just liking what you do in your everyday life. So, and when you're not posting photos, you want to make sure you're posting stories. So, just updating your audience on what you're up to day to day. So another way of making money through Instagram is through selling a service, much like this page here. So these are these are car detailers, and they're using their Instagram to promote, very clean cars to show that hey, this is what we do and this is how clean your car can look. Um, you know, it's great to once again do similar things to a blogger, and that you want to use your hashtags, um, and maybe start to follow some other accounts that are similar, or track down the people who like or follow your competitors, and yeah, begin to follow them and like and comment. So you normally with this one you're promoting your own service, and you know, it could be as simple as cleaning cars or doing some gardening, anything like that. You could sell a simple service. You want to make sure you turn your account into a business account, business one, which allows you to track the information about your followers' activity. Um, and you can place a chargeable ad. Um, uh, for example, like you could pay for advertising to advertise your service, but you probably want to wait until you're actually getting some customers first, so you're earning some money. Um, yeah, and you could even partner up with other if you're doing car washing, for example, you can partner up with other car washers and you know, maybe do a deal where they promote your services or you promote theirs. So that's another great way to grow a following and then sell some services and make money through Instagram that way. Uh, Third way here is selling products online. So it's similar to selling services, uh, but these are physical goods. So you could start a store on Shopify or just start a website and start selling some products. You could drop ship those, or you could you know, buy them for cheap and mark them up and sell them. I can get into some of that stuff in another video. I won't cover that here. But basically, the key here is really aesthetic photos. I mean, Instagram loves aesthetic photos in general, but here you can see this guy sells, or sorry, this brand, a few, sells sneakers, and you can see they're really focusing on high quality images of the shoes and really making them look desirable. There's a bit of promo there. Um, but yeah, once again, it's about consistency. You want to use the mass following technique if you're selling products or services. So I didn't cover this earlier, but basically you want to just start following a lot of people. Um, you just go through, follow your competitors, and see who follows them, and go through and follow as many people as you can daily. This is on top of uploading your content. Um, and it's likely that a small percentage of those followers that you follow will follow you back, and that will help you grow a following and lead more people to your website so you can sell the products that you're trying to sell. And you can even invite some models or famous people, if you know anyone who has a big following, to wear your product or to mention your product and post something in their Instagram to promote what you're trying to sell. So, and once again, you can arrange for contests or offer discounts, and people will, you know, you can offer discounts for people following you or liking a post or sharing a post. So, you know, it grows exponentially. And as you can see here, we've got a website which links people to their store. Lastly, but definitely not leastly, this is definitely one of my favorite ways to get started on Instagram. And basically, it's just recycling other people's posts. So what you do here is you pick a niche. Uh, in in this case, they've picked BMW. So they've chosen cars, and they've gone to a very specific car brand, BMW. And what you're doing here is you're following other Instagram accounts that share posts in the niche or niche that you've chosen, and you just repost their photos. This is really easy to do. Takes like 10-15 minutes a day and can grow a following really fast. As you can see here, they're all BMWs, um, and you know they get quite a lot of traction here, getting quite a few views and quite a few comments. You want to go for engagement. I mean, that's really the trick to Instagram. So yeah, follow other accounts in your niche, repost their photos. Make sure when you do that you credit the original photographer, or credit the person who owns the photo. If you don't do that, you can get into a lot of trouble. Instagram won't like it. They might delete your account, and the user could take some action towards you. So it's very important to always credit the original photo owner. But this is easy because you don't have to go out there and take your own photos. You can get photos that are already high quality, already generating interest, and just repost them. And if you do as many as you can each day, and once again using the same techniques as before, following others, commenting, liking, just building an audience, then like you see here, you can say, tag me and grow your following, or you can have an email address there for people to get a hold of you if they want to advertise through your Instagram account, or do a promo on Team Up. And here again, there's a link to an online store. So once again, you could set up a store through Shopify or WordPress and sell some T-shirts or any merch related to the niche that you've chosen, and you can make money that way. So this is definitely the most cost effective, because I mean it doesn't take much time and it doesn't take much money. The others here, if you've got a service, it might take you a while to create a service and kind of get all the equipment you need. If you've got products here, unless you're drop shipping, then you need to buy some products to sell. And this one here, the blogging, I mean, that's just a lot of a time spent on creating original content. So I would definitely opt for this way of doing it. And guys, this is just one example here. You could do it in the fitness niche, cars, fashion, all sorts of niches here. So yeah, that about sums it all up. Those are 4 ways to make money on Instagram, all super easy. Can be great to build up a side income, or if it grows big enough, could even become full-time. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.